Hi, my name is Ethan Reeves. I'm the developer of Genie and founder of Ifrit Technologies. And in this quick video, we're going to be going over the autofile system in Genie. So first off, what is autofiling? Autofiling is when Genie goes out and automatically downloads hundreds of thousands of articles from over 50 top news sources. Let's see how it works. To get to autofiling, we're going to start from the home page that we get dumped into right on the Genie application. We're going to click Autofile, and then here we are. Now, if this is your first time autofiling, you're going to need to scroll through this list and select which sources you want to enable, and that's totally up to you, so you can build a set of sources that will be good for your competitive needs. Then after you've selected some sources, come over here to this button, click Start. Now we have options as to how far back to autofile. You see, Genie can autofile back into the past as well as just current articles that are in the news right now. And in this case, we're just going to go for the past 6 months. We're going to click Start right here. So we've jumped forward about half an hour, and we can see Genie is about to finish up the autofiling process. We're just waiting on one last source, CNN, to finish off downloading its almost over 20,000 articles. And there we have it. We can see here that Genie was able to autofile 324,926 articles in just a little over a half an hour, which of course is way more than you could file yourself. The cool thing about these articles is they're all downloaded, available offline, and you can access them brilliantly fast through the search and browse features. Just to make sure that the articles are actually there, we're going to very quickly go over here, click Browse, click General, click Latest Articles, just to get a quick peek at some of the content that Genie has downloaded. As you can see, it properly pulled down the content, and everything is here in clean, clear, plain text for you to read and research offline.